Hello my lovely friends, how are you all? I hope you must be safe and sound in your homes. As you all know that myself Mr. Shivam Dhiman and I am your English teacher. Today we will know about the simple present tense. The simple present tense is also known as the present indefinite form of tense. In this tense, we use a verb to tell us that a thing happened continually in the present time. So, in this tense, we use first form of the verb In this tense, we use the first form of verb along with s or es suffix, and in this tense, subject verb agreement is followed. Subject verb agreement is followed. Like they play football, she reads a book. So as you can see that I have used play with they. They is a plural subject. They means वे सब. तो यहाँ पर हमने play ऐसे नहीं लगाया है, play singular form of verb लिखी है. When there is a plural subject, we use singular verb. When there is a singular subject, when there is a plural subject, we use singular verb, and when there is a singular subject, we use a plural verb. They play. So without the addition of s or es to the verb that is used in the sentence, and she is a singular subject, so we have used s suffix with the verb read. So always remember, in simple present tense, singular subject use plural verb with inclusion of s or es, and the plural subject use singular verb that without the inclusion of s or es. So these sentences, they play football, she reads a book, shows the verb that is happening in an assertion, means वहां पर काम होने के आपको पता चल रहा है, तो ये assertive sentence है. If we want to write a negative form of simple present tense type of sentence, we will include do or does with not and verb first form. In negative form, verb first form, do or does plus not plus verb की first form, and same subject verb agreement is followed in this sentence also. Like if the subject is plural, we apply do form of helping verb, and when it is singular, she or Ram or he or it, then we will use do's form of helping verb. We do not eat cookies. हमने cookies नहीं खाए. Ram does not drink tea. Ram चाय नहीं पीता है. And if we want to write an interrogative sentence which is in simple present tense, then we start the sentence with do or does along with the verb first form and include question mark in the ending of the sentence. You is a subject which can be used for a singular person और can be plural person. अगर you जो है वो एक ऐसा प्रोनाउन है जो हम एक व्यक्ति के लिए या दो व्यक्तियों के लिए भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So we will always use plural form of helping verbs with you. So you is considered always as an plural subject. Do you like bananas? Here we have used do, form of helping verb, and first form of verb like and inclusion of question mark. Do you like bananas? Here she is a singular subject. Do's is applied in the beginning or used in the beginning of the sentence. Draw is the first form of the verb and inclusion of question mark. Does she can draw a picture? Does she can draw a picture? Or does she like tea? Does she like tea? So these are the conversions of some simple present tense type of sentences. First one is assertive, second one is negative, and third one is interrogatives. So if we want to convert in any of the sentences, if we want to convert negative into assertive, we remove not. If we want to convert assertive into negative, include do or does plus not. And if you want to convert anyone, then follow the same format. Verb plus s or es in the assertive, verb first form plus s or es in suffixes in the assertive, do or does form of helping verb with not and verb first form in the negatives, and interrogatives use do or does with first form of verb and the question mark. Do you know in which type of sentences we use simple present tense? First, it is used to describe the habitual action that takes place regularly, like she goes to school daily. She goes to school daily is a habitual habit, is an habit which takes place regularly. So we will use simple present tense. The fact which is taking place in the present time, the fact which is taking place in the present time uses the simple present tense. Like he sells vegetables, वो सब्जी बेचता है. तो जहां पर करता है, खाता है, पीता है, वहां सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का यूज होगा. एंड the facts which are general truths or universal truths also use the simple present tense, like the earth revolves around the sun. So the earth revolves around the sun is general fact or an universal truth. So we have used simple present tense. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Also, it is also a general fact, so we have applied simple present tense. और सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इज ऑल्सो यूज इन दोज sentences or the facts in which future action has been pre-planned means simple present tense जो है simple present tense उन बातों के लिए भी आएगा वो बातें जो भविष्य में होंगी पर वो पहले से ही सोच ली गई हैं जिनको हम रेगुलरली लेके चलेंगे लाइक द प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट्स एट 9 o'clock in the इवनिंग। तो जो प्रोग्राम है वो भले ही शाम को या रात में आएगा पर वो रेगुलरली प्लेस मतलब डेली होता है, डेली टेलीकास्ट होता है, इसलिए हम वहां पर सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस यूज कर रहे हैं। और द मैच starts at 7 o'clock. The match starts at 7 o'clock means the action has not been started. The match has not been started, but it will begin at a definite time and telecast or shows daily in the और जो समय है मतलब जो मैच है वो कंटिन्यूसली आपके जो शुरू होगा वो 7 बजे ही होता है, इसलिए वो फ्यूचर एक्शन जो पहले से प्री प्लान है उसके लिए हम कौन सी टेंस यूज करेंगे? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस। और सेकंड सेंटेंस आई एम शोइंग यू टू स्टेट द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस रूल। Our examination begins from 3rd March every year means यहाँ पर जो एक्शन है वो कंटिन्यूसली हो रहा है और ये एक्शन फ्यूचर में होगा पर उसके लिए पहले से ही प्लान कर लिया गया, उसको पहले से ही सोच लिया गया है और जो होता आ रहा है उसमें भी हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस लगाएंगे। as I have written our examination begins from 3rd March every year means हमारे जो एग्जाम है, हमारी जो परीक्षाएं हैं वो प्रतिवर्ष 3 मार्च से शुरू होती हैं। तो जहां पर हम टेंस में या सेंटेंस की बात करें जो कंटिन्यूसली होता है और दूसरा जहां पर होता है, करता है, खाता है, पीता है, एट प्रेजेंट टाइम जो वर्क हो रहा होगा और कंटिन्यूसली हो रहा होगा उसके लिए हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का यूज करेंगे। So this was the today's explanation of the simple present tense. I hope you must have understood about this topic. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day, students.